Want to know how to convert a code into a pseudocode? Well, no worries. Sometimes converting it to pseudocode can be tiring if done manually. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just another prompt using Cursor AI. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be right here. And now once you're on the Cursor AI, here you can just simply select the entire code. And we have also created simple videos regarding Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So here you can see two options. So once you fill the entire code, that is add to chat and quick edit. Just simply select quick edit right here. Now since we are contenting the code, let's simply type in this prompt. Now just simply select enter once you have typed in your code and the prompt, and once that is done, it should generate and convert your code easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.